Hello everyone. In this video I will be talking to you briefly about inequalities. And an inequality is just another way to describe or represent the relationship between expressions. So instead of showing that two values of two expressions are equal, inequalities indicate that the value of one expression is greater than or equal to the value of the other expression. So if we look at our first example in the top left, this inequality indicates a relationship between the expression x and the expression 3. And that relationship is x is less than 3. Okay, so x can be any number that is less than 3. And what I'm going to do also in this video is I'm going to just show you how we can represent the solutions to inequalities on number lines. Okay, so on this number line, I'm just going to represent all of the values that would make this inequality true. Okay, so if x is less than 3, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to my number line. I'm going to circle, that's -3. I'm going to go to +3, circle 3. And then since x is less than 3, whenever you're representing solutions to inequalities, we normally shade all of the values that make that inequality true. So in this case, I will shade to the left, okay, because these numbers are less than 3, okay. And also you notice I have an open circle here. The open circle indicates that the values cannot equal 3. Okay, so it has to be less than 3. It cannot equal 3. X cannot equal 3. All right, if I move on to my next example, x is less than or equal to 3. That's what that line under the less than symbol means. It could be less than or equal to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to 3, and this time, since x can be equal to 3, I'm going to shade this in. Okay, so I get a closed circle, and then I'm going to shade to the left. Okay, all of these values are less than 3. All right, moving along. In my next example, I have x is greater than 3. X is greater than 3. And another little tip I want to share with you, a lot of students get confused on about the direction of the symbol. They don't know which side is less than, which side is greater than. The open side is greater than, and the small side, I guess, is the less than. Okay, and the way I think of it is that I'm reading from left to right. So x is greater than 3. All right, just wanted to share that with you just in case you were unsure of how to identify the inequality symbol. All right, so here I have x is greater than 3. So I'm going to go to 3. I'm going to put an open circle, and then I'm going to shade to the right. Shade all my values to the right of 3. Okay. And in my last example, x is greater than or equal to 3. My 3 is going to get a closed circle, and I am going to shade to the right as well in this one. All right, there you go. A quick introduction to inequalities, and I hope you got something out of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.